Meet the third grade teachers. Miss Stevens. This is Miss Stevens' fifth year teaching at CWTES. She was born in Massachusetts. She lived on Cape Cod for 18 years before moving to Florida. Miss Stevens went to St. Leo University for college. She has a cat named Jolene. Miss Stevens loves reading, going to the beach, seafood, chocolate, and rollerblading. She is a fan of Boston sports, specifically the New England Patriots. Miss Wallace. This is Miss Wallace's third year of teaching. She graduated from St. Leo University. She was on a swimming scholarship all 4 years at St. Leo. She lived in Atlanta, Georgia for 18 years with her parents and 2 sisters. She enjoys reading, traveling, hiking, and kayaking. Her favorite animal is a whale, and she loves to watch sports. Mrs. Ward. This is Mrs. Ward's 14th year of teaching. She is married and has a baby boy named Samuel and a golden retriever named Jack. She has a big family with 3 sisters and a brother. She loves lightning hockey, the Florida Gators, cherry Coke, polka dots, and the beach. Mrs. Ward went to Troy University and USF. This is Miss Whidden's second year teaching. She graduated from St. Leo University in 2018. Miss Whidden has lived in Zephyr Hills her whole life. She loves working in the community she grew up in. Miss Whidden loves to watch sunsets, be with her friends, the Steelers, and loves donuts. Miss Steinhoff. Miss Steinhoff is from New York and has lived in Florida for 18 years. Miss Steinhoff is the reading intervention teacher for grades 3, 4, and 5. Miss Steinhoff has 2 children, Courtney and Matthew. Miss Steinhoff enjoys going to the beach, exercising, shopping, and reading. This is her dog, Molly. Mrs. Norberg. This is Miss Norberg's second year teaching at CWTES. She was born in Miami, Florida, so she is a Florida girl at heart. She graduated from the University of Florida. Go Gators! Miss Norberg has 3 wonderful children, ages 22, 24, and 25. She loves reading, bike riding, hiking adventures, going to the beach, and ice cream. She loves relaxing with her adorable cats, Percy and Simon.